Try to brew it up.
Yeah, but try to push hard. If you like clench your stomach muscles.
Lock us in here! Lock us in! Oh, it stinks so bad. Between you and me, bro.
I'm just not gonna lie, I think I'm gonna follow through.
Come on!
I got a brewing! I got a poo brewing!
What?
I got a poo brewing, not a fart!
Go for it!
No, I'm gonna shit myself!
So you're probably wondering what's going on right now, guys, which I appreciate. I had an idea this morning. I'm actually a big fan of these portable speakers. I thought we could sew this into Elliot's hoodie with Carl's sewing skills. You can sew, right?
Yeah.
Carl's sewing skills. We're going to sew this into Elliot's hoodie. I'm going to connect up to my phone. We're going to play fart noises. Obviously, we had to generate some fart noises, so we made our own fart noises ourselves. And Tristan crapped himself.
Oh, twice.
That being said, wherever Elliot goes today, he's going to be knowing a shit bum Giles. Sorry, bro. So are we giving away all of these iPhone 8s to people? Like, if they like the videos, are we giving them away? Or?
I think so.
Bro, you know meant to be recording this. Like shit. So Carl is now cutting an incision in the hoodie where he's going to basically put these... Well, tell us, Carl, what's going on?
I'm just gonna put this speaker inside here.
Do you think it's... I mean, it's going to work, though.
Yeah, it's
And what's the range on this thing?
like 30 meters.
30 meters?
Lovely. It's like when I used to work in the dog kennels.
What?
I'm a veterinarian.
What?
Huh?
Yeah.
How come we never knew
Bro, I
about
had a
that?
life before you.
Okay, so that's going to start nice in there. That's all nice, and then all you got to do is sew it, bro. I have never sewn in my life at all.
because
Why
you
have you
have
got red thread? Why couldn't you get blooming white thread?
That's all they had.
Oh, God, you donk. Okay, I'm going to have to put this hoodie up in the house, and then we'll just wait outside. And just follow him.
Don't.
Sorry, bro. Go, 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 go.
Oh, there he is. There he is. He has no idea.
Bro, this is so crystal. Guys, the brand new iPhone 8 Plus first shot, and then... Shit. Listen. Get down, Carl. Get down.
What the hell?
This is not even fun.
Damn it, Elliot. Ben, if Elliot sees you, you're screwed.
I'll play a loud one.
There he is. Oh, Giles.
Subway. He's got a subway.
This is gonna be brilliant.
Ben is literally right here. And Elliot didn't know.
You alright?
He's right behind me.
What do you mean right behind you?
There. There he is, look.
Where is he? Where's he walking into? Where's he going into?
The chats in arms.
I just shouted at these things like shit.
What the?
Hours.
How? Since when did you get a girl with him?
Oh, I don't know.
For God's sake,
It must be dating.
What?
Bro, I think this is literally gonna be his first kiss. Oh gosh. She's just slapped him.
Oh. There goes the leaking woman.
Fair play, it's all for a game.
Wait.
Oh god. Okay, that was my reaction to ultimate public farting prank by Ben Phillips. I hope you have a wonderful day. And remember, if you want me to react to any more videos, make sure to leave them in the comment section below. Give the creators the love they deserve, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, shadows.